Corey Thrush here with Thrush Son, your home improvement authority, and get ready, the Arctic blast is coming. Can you believe that it's actually going to be warmer in Antarctica than what it is here? Look at these wind chill maps. Now you all know up here that Kelly and I,
today it is Facebook Live Friday!
Every Friday, and over the past few weeks, we went from talking about how it's golfing weather and roofing weather, focusing on the snow and the frigid temperatures that we've been having. Because of the snow and cold, we've been talking a lot about energy efficiency and how vital home improvements can be in increasing the energy efficiency of your home. There are two letters that we like to talk about when it comes to home improvements and energy efficiency: R value and U value. The simplest way to look at these two letters is that the U value stands for the transfer of energy and that the R value stands for the resistance of heat. So in layman's terms, the higher the R value, the better. And when it comes to U value, the lower, the better. For example, a standard double pane window, clear IG glass, has a U value of 0.48, while a double pane window with low E glass that is argon filled has a U value around 0.29. So you see what I mean in this case. The lower the number, the better the product is, and the more energy efficient your home becomes. So if you're looking to keep the cold air out and the heat inside your home, give us a call today at our Brookville/Dayton location at 937-833-5136. You can call us at our Troy location at 937-339-5136. Always check us out on the web at thrushandson.com. And until next time, our friends, keep improving.